Hi, I'm Nate.
And I'm Fiona. This video covers the stage. There are two stages on the field, one for the Red Alliance and one for the Blue Alliance. The stage is made up of truss structure, the core, and the chains.
The core of the stage is a hexagonal polycarbonate structure making up the center of the stage. The bottom of the core is 2 feet 4¼ inches from the carpet, but fastener heads extend a little bit below that. If you plan to travel under here, make sure to factor that into your robot design. Also, each stage has a podium, which protects robots from contact by opponents.
An April tag is centered on each large face of the core, 3 feet 11½ inches above the carpet. These April tags are behind polycarbonate to protect them from damage.
Each large face of the core has an opening for scoring a note. This opening is 2 feet wide by 1 foot 6 inches tall, just like the amp, with the bottom located 4 feet 8½ inches off the ground. A flap covers the opening, which must be pushed inward for a note to get into the trap. It is possible for a note to get stuck if the flap is released before the note drops into the trap, and this would mean missed points.
A pipe, called a microphone, is centered above each pocket. Each microphone is set back 2 inches from the face, to the center of the microphone, with the top of the microphone 7 feet 4¼ inches above the carpet. Human players toss a high note onto the microphone toward the end of the match to increase the points for robots on the associated chain called spotlighting.
The chains are named with respect to the driver's view: stage left, stage right, and center stage. Each chain is a 1/4 inch grade 43 zinc-plated chain.
Each chain attaches to the truss structure 4 feet above the carpet using a carabiner. When unloaded, the chain hangs such that the lowest point is 2 feet 4¼ inches above the carpet. Robots are prohibited from reducing this length by twisting, looping, or similar. Make sure to check the game manual for complete details.
When practicing, make sure to consider how the chain behaves when one or more of your partners join your robot on it. For example, your robot may have to grab the chain at a different height or may hang at a different angle.
Good luck, and we'll see you at the competitions.